Welcome children, take up your geography book, chapter 2, atmosphere. Today I am going to give you the question answers and exercises of this chapter. Take up page number 18, number 1. Choose the correct option, number A. Melting of polar ice caps is taking place due to answer, global warming. Number B. Global warming will lead to answer, cyclones and hurricanes in coastal areas. Number C. The main objective of the Montreal Protocol was answer, to lower the production of ozone depletion substances. Number D. The ozone layer helps in answer, preventing the ultraviolet rays from reaching the earth. Number 2. Give one term for each of the following. Number A. The gas that occupies the maximum volume of the atmosphere. Answer, nitrogen. Number B. The upper limit of the troposphere that separates it from the atmosphere. Answer, tropopause. Number C. The coldest layer of the atmosphere. Answer, mesosphere. Number D. A fossil fuel that contributes to global warming. Answer, coal. Number E. The hottest layer of the atmosphere. Answer, thermosphere. Number F. The continent over which a large ozone hole has developed. Answer, Antarctica. Number G. Harmful rays that lead to cataract and skin cancer in human beings. Answer, ultraviolet rays. Now let me give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Define atmosphere. Why is it denser in its lower layer? Answer, atmosphere is a mixture of different gases that form a layer surrounding the earth. It is denser in the lower layer because the density of the atmosphere is greater in the lower layers as the upper layers rest on them and compress them into a dense mass. Question 2. What are ions? Why is their presence in the atmosphere significant? Answer. The breaking up of the molecules of the atmosphere gases into electrically charged particles are called ions. Their presence in the atmosphere is significant because these ions reflect radio waves back to the earth and enable radio broadcast and wireless communication. Number 3. Discuss how an ozone hole is created. Answer. Ozone hole depleting substances are released into the atmosphere due to various human activities. The ozone layer thins out and thus a ozone hole is created. Number 4. Why do polar bears face extinction in near future? Answer. The global warming melts the polar ice caps at an alarming rate and brings climatic change, result in the loss of sea ice habits, and so polar bears face extinction in near future. Number 5. Discuss the composition of the atmosphere. Answer. The atmosphere comprises of various types of gases. It includes 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the remaining 1% consists of minute quantities of various other gases such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, ozone, argon, etc. Its lower layer contains various amount of water vapor and suspended solid particles such as dust, salt, and pollen. Question 6. Discuss the importance and significance of the 3 R's in bringing about sustainable development. Answer. The 3 R's include reduce, recycle, and reuse. To bring sustainable development, reduce stops the natural resources from getting depleted. Reuse conserves new resources and prevents old resources from entering the waste stream. Recycle convert waste material into new products, changing them from their original form by physical and chemical process. Question 7. What are the special features of an eco-city or green city? Give 2 examples and answer. Eco-city or green city are urban areas around the world striving to lessen the environmental impacts of urbanization by reducing waste, encouraging recycling, lowering emission levels as well as reduction levels of air, water and soil pollution. For example, Berlin and New York. Question 8. What are renewable sources of energy preferred over fossil fuels? Give 2 examples of renewable sources of energy. Answer. Renewable sources of energy are inexhaustible. Moreover, they are not only cheap and abundant but are also non-polluting, and so renewable sources of energy are preferred over fossil fuels. For example, wind, sun, water and tide. Now take out your diary, write Chapter 2, Geography, Chapter 2, Atmosphere, question answers and exercises given. Homework, write all the question answers and exercises in your geography copy. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.